Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Antonio. It's me.
Hey guys. How are you?
I'm not doing okay. I know that, like, that's a thing I say a lot. I know that a lot of times I'm like, I'm not doing okay. But this time I'm not doing okay. I feel weird and I feel awkward. You can't see, but under the table, I'm just like grabbing my thighs and just like ripping at them. I'm squeezing myself because I'm so anxious. Wait. So, I'm anxious. I have anxiety. So, hey. Before we really get into the video, I just want to say, if you guys are still watching me, if you guys even care about me, even if you don't care about me, but you're still watching this in the background, you're not even listening to what I'm saying, but like, you're like kind of listening because now I'm talking to you like directly and I'm saying that if you're not listening, like you should probably listen. Just kidding, you don't have to listen, you don't have to do that at all. For those of you who have sent me messages, who have tweeted at me, who have sent me DMs, who have sent me comments on YouTube, who have even thought about me and not even said anything, thank you guys, just thank you. Because things have not been okay at all, and that's the funny part about it. Wait, this is so awkward. I've never cried on the internet before. I don't think I've ever cried on YouTube before. So this is very fun and new for us. I feel like we're breaking bonds today. And I feel like this is very necessary for this video because, well, just because it is. So the reason why I'm crying is because I tried to film this video so many times. I've been trying to film for hours and things just keep going wrong. And I just keep overthinking. I've been dealing with really bad anxiety and like depression. Anyways, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup today because I really want to refresh the way I look and transform myself just so I can feel confident, because I just feel so unconfident about the way I look. So today we're just gonna be doing a little get ready with me, but with a twist. With a twist. Anyways, so today I'm gonna be getting ready and doing a little transformation for you guys. I might cut bangs, I might cry, I might die, but we're gonna have a jolly old time. Maybe we won't, but we'll see. You know, I was gonna moisturize my skin, but I think all the tears really just plumped me up. I asked on Twitter for like questions and stuff because I already knew before filming this video that I wouldn't be able to keep a train of thoughts. Since I've been gone for so long, there's a lot in here. There's a lot pent up. So, okay, so advice number 1, J. Lee Parker says, how do I figure out my purpose in life? Honestly, I don't really know how to answer this question without really just going on a tangent, but I'm gonna try, so beware. So what I realized I needed to do to try to figure out my own life and try to find myself and put myself on track is to just do what makes me happy. And I know that sounds so corny. I know that sounds corny and it makes me horny. But in a sense, I feel like in my life, I've been given everything I wanted, which I know y'all are looking at me and you're like, shut up, you. And I know that sounds really like kind of stuck up to say, and I know it sounds like I'm bragging, and I know it sounds like I'm an annoying whore. Annoying orange. I miss annoying orange. Where'd he go? And my salad. So anyways, but in a sense, I kind of like achieved my dream, which was to be a YouTuber at a very young age. It left me at certain points feeling like, what's the point in life? Like, what's my real purpose? What I realized is that there is literally not a point to living if you're not doing things that make you happy and feel fulfilled. Okay, sorry. My friend decided to FaceTime me and she decided to FaceTime me and interrupt me. But what I was saying is that finding your purpose in life starts with you just doing things that make you happy, whether it's drawing, painting, music, art, talking to people, learning things. And I know it could sound privileged, me over here in my house with everything that I have, and saying, oh, just do what makes you happy. And that's how you'll find your purpose in life. That's how you'll get through life. Because no, that's not what life is. And for a lot of people, that's not possible, or it's just not attainable. But take it from me. You only got one life. And spending every single day of your life doing things and being around people and just living a life that doesn't fulfill you, it'll be the death of you. I hope that's like good advice because that's something that I really strongly believe in. And why am I talking like I'm a motivational speaker? I feel like I'm like literally doing a TED Talk. Girl, this is not a TED Talk. This is a bed. That wasn't even. Also, the foundation that I use today is by Uoma Beauty. Uoma Beauty. It's at Walmart. And I love it. But they sent it to me and I was gonna do a brand deal with them, but then I got depressed. So I didn't do it. So anyways. Okay, I'm back. Also today when I was at the nail salon and getting my nails done, the lady who was doing my nails looked at my phone and she said, "Oh, is that your boyfriend?" And I said, "Yeah." So anyways, next question. How do I get over someone? Okay, this is a great question for me to answer. To get over someone, the best thing you could do is realize how much of a horrible person they are. Just kidding. But realizing that that person just might not be the best for you and that, you know, things didn't work out for a reason. And also realizing that there's other fish in the sea and that a lot of those other fish are really hot. Number one thing when it comes to getting over someone, give it time. Because time heals all wounds. And this is like such a fake little quote, but it's not fake because it's real. And get it in your brain. But the truth is that the pain that you're feeling, it'll go away. It will go away. And one day you'll look back at it and you'll be so proud of yourself for getting over it. How to cure chlamydia? Put it in rice. I love fish and rice. I'm gay, what do I do? Just kidding. I'm gonna go and do my hair off camera really quick before I finish my makeup and we can do kind of a final reveal. I got some new clothes and I really wanna do a try on haul for you guys and show you because I've never really done anything like that on my channel before. So we're gonna do that, but first I'm gonna do my hair. Okay, so this is my new look. These are my new bangs. I use these scissors to cut them. But I really think I look very pretty. The bangs are a little bit finicky. You know, they're a little bit finicky. Like sometimes they look good, sometimes they're like leaning, sometimes they're like, ooh, and it's like hard to get perfect. Okay, so we have the hair and makeup all done and ready, but now it's time for the outfit. Guys, you're gonna freak. You're gonna freak when you see these fits. Okay. Okay, so this week I got a whole bunch of new clothes and I'm excited. I wanna give a big shout out to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. I don't talk about things that I don't love. And let's be honest, there's a lot of things that I don't love. But what I do love is ThredUp. ThredUp is an online thrift and consignment store that sells women's and kids clothing. And I love ThredUp because they have over 40,000 brands and the stuff on the website gets switched out like every single day. So it's a big fat party on there. With ThredUp, you can get up to 90% off of things like handbags, shoes, accessories, clothing. I know that I, as well as many of you, love thrifting. Thrifting is so much fun, but it can be really stressful going in store and searching through all the racks. That's why I love ThredUp because you can do it all online. And also, it feels really good to know that you're creating less waste and attributing less to landfill when you're thrifting because it's just like less wasteful in the environment. Anyway, so I went on ThredUp and I picked out a whole bunch of fun little outfits that I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna try them on and show you where I got them from and, you know, let's just get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show y'all was this little J. Crew brown velvet trendy little skirt. I love it so much. I've been trying to find one forever, and I'm so happy I finally got one, and it was only $20.99. Okay, next I wanted to show you guys these jeans from Daisy Street, which I love so much. Look how cute they are. Look at the stripe. Look at it. I know you see it. It's so cute. These are my new favorite jeans of all time. They fit me so well, and they were only $20. And to go with it, I also got this cute little shoulder bag from Coach for $97, and I love it so much. I think it's so cute and trendy. Yay! Okay, and now to my favorite thing I got, which is this cute East Order zebra print dress. I think that it's so quirky, so fun. It's very like Y2K. I don't know how to describe it, but what I do know is that I love this dress. So you guys can go check out ThredUp. There's a link in my description if you're interested, and you can use my code Antonio for 30% off your first order. That's 30% off your first order at ThredUp with code Antonio. Thank you so much, ThredUp, for sponsoring this video. This means a lot. Thank you. I love them. Thank you. Hey guys, okay, so here it is. Here's just the final transformation. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I just want to quickly note that today was a really hard day for me. I haven't been feeling very confident. I haven't been feeling very happy. I haven't been feeling very motivated, and I haven't been feeling very, good. But today I finally got up and forced myself to film, and I'm honestly really glad that I did. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot that you're watching. If you're still watching after this point in the video, I love you so much, and I wish I could hug you right now.